Have you ever felt like you just need to take it slow in life? This common English idiom is a great one for beginner learners to master. Let me share a funny story about what can happen when you don't quite understand this idiom. My friend Sarah was running late for a job interview and kept telling herself, "Okay, just take it slow, take it slow." Unfortunately, she took that advice a bit too literally and ended up arriving 30 minutes late. So, what does take it slow actually mean? It's an idiom that suggests you should do something at a leisurely pace, without rushing or hurrying. Let me show you how to use it correctly. My friend Tom was feeling stressed about a big work presentation. Instead of rushing to prepare, I told him, "Don't worry, just take it slow. Focus on one section at a time, and you'll be ready." He took my advice, and the presentation ended up going really well. Here are some examples of how you can use take it slow in different contexts. In a casual conversation, let's take it slow and enjoy our vacation. In a formal setting, the CEO advised the team to take it slow and carefully consider all options. In a humorous context, "Whoa, slow down there, speed racer. Take it slow on the roads." In a literary context, the wise old man told the young adventurer, "Take it slow, my friend. There's no need to rush." In a business setting, we should take it slow with this new partnership and make sure we're on the same page. On social media, just taking it slow today, enjoying the sunshine and a good book. To help you remember the meaning of take it slow, think of a turtle slowly making its way across the road. The turtle is taking its time, not rushing, and staying calm and focused on its journey. Did you know that the idiom take it slow emphasizes the value of patience and carefulness? Encouraging people not to rush through life? It reflects the cultural value of patience and not rushing through life, which is still relevant today. In some contexts, you might hear similar expressions like take it easy or slow and steady wins the race. Some similar idioms to take it slow include go at your own pace, slow and steady wins the race, and Rome wasn't built in a day. Opposite idioms would be hurry up, move it, or time is of the essence. Related idioms could be stop and smell the roses or live in the moment. For example, you could say, "I know you're eager to finish the project, but let's take it slow and make sure we get it right." Or you could rephrase it as, "I know you're eager to finish the project, but let's work through it carefully and at a steady pace." I once had a student who was feeling overwhelmed with their workload. I encouraged them to take it slow and focus on one task at a time. They told me that advice really helped them regain their focus and complete their work more efficiently. One common misunderstanding is thinking that take it slow is grammatically incorrect. But it's actually a widely accepted idiomatic expression. Another mistake is thinking take it slow means to do something at an extremely slow pace, when it really means to proceed at a relaxed, unhurried pace. And you'll want to avoid using take it slow in situations where speed and urgency are important, like a medical emergency. Okay, let's test your understanding of take it slow with a few questions. 1. What does the idiom take it slow mean? A. Do something at an extremely slow pace. B. Proceed at a relaxed, unhurried pace. C. Hurry up and finish quickly. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for take it slow? A. Hurry up. B. Move it. C. Go at your own pace. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of these is an antonym for take it slow? A. Slow and steady. B. Time is of the essence. C. Live in the moment. Correct answer, B. Okay, let's recap what we've learned about the idiom take it slow. It's a great expression to use when you want to encourage someone to relax. Be patient and not rush through a task or situation. Understanding and using this idiom can really help improve your English communication skills. Now it's your turn. Share an example sentence using take it slow in the comments. And if you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom explanations.